Welcome to Sir JC's Math class. This is brought to you by Matsea TV. Are you ready for today's lesson? Our lesson number 1 for the first quarter of grade 7 mathematics is Introduction to Sets. Let's begin and let's have fun in learning. Our objectives for today are the following. Define set. Describe and illustrate well-defined sets and null sets. Determine the elements of a given set and identify the number of elements or its cardinality. Let's prepare ourselves by looking for the meaning of the words and phrases that we will be using for today's lesson. These are counting or natural numbers. These are numbers that we use when we are counting objects. When we are counting, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Whole numbers. These are numbers without fractional part or decimal part. It includes 0 and the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. Integers. These are also numbers without fractional part or decimal part. However, it includes 0, the counting numbers, and the opposite or negatives of the counting numbers. Even numbers. These are integers that can be divided exactly by 2. Examples are -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Odd numbers. These are integers that cannot be divided exactly by 2. Examples are -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Can you repeat the different kind of numbers that we unlock? Great! They are counting or natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers, and odd numbers. Let's continue! It's activity time! Let's have an activity. Are you familiar with these objects? Let's identify them one by one. We have a shoe, a jacket, orange, ball, mango, cap, doll, toy car, and banana. What we are going to do is to group them under columns A, B, and C based on any similarities that they have. If you can do it on your own, you can pause this video and answer it on a sheet of paper. Now let's group them. Starting with the 3 objects on the first row, we put shoe on column A. We can also put jacket on column A because shoes and jacket are both objects that a person can wear. And orange on column B. Next, we can put ball on column C. If you think that orange and ball can be put together in one group, you are correct. However, let's put the ball on column C. You will find out why later. The mango goes to column B together with orange. Can you give the reason why? If your answer is because they are both fruits, you are correct. The cap goes under column A. How about the doll? Yes, we put the doll under column C together with the ball because they are both toys. This is the same reason why we will put the toy car under column C. Lastly, we put the banana under column B, and that's it. All of the objects are now grouped together. There are other groups that we can form, but for our today's lesson, we will use these 3 groups. Let's write our groups using words properly. Group A consists of shoe, jacket, and cap. We will use the symbol equals and braces to show that they are in one group. The capital letter A tells us the name of the group. Can you write groups B and C using this way? Group B consists of ball, doll, and toy car. While the members of Group C are orange, mango, and banana. They are written this way. Great! This time, let's try to write the groups using the description of its members. For example, we have A, which is the group of shoe, jacket, and cap. Can you describe the members of Group A? Yes, the members of Group A are objects that a person can wear. We will write it this way. How about Group B? That's correct. The members of Group B are ball, doll, and toy car, which are toys. How about for Group C, which members are orange, mango, and banana? If you wrote fruits just like this, you are correct. Now students, in mathematics, these groups are called sets. Do you want to learn more about sets? Great! Let's continue! What is a set? A set is a group or collection of objects. It is named using a capital letter. Each object in a set is called a member or an element of a set. In our activity, there are 3 sets. Can you recall the 3 sets? They are Set A, which is the set of objects that a person can wear, Set B, which is the set of toys, and Set C, which is the set of fruits. The element is the member of a set. We use this symbol to tell that an object is an element of a set. Otherwise, we use this symbol to tell that an object is not an element of a set. An easy way of remembering this symbol is remember that it looks like E, which stands for element, while not element means the symbol has a slash. Usually, a slash means it is cancelled or it means not. Let's have an example. Set A is the set of school days in a week. What are the school days in a week? These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So another way of writing set A is like this. Take note that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are called members or elements of set A. This means that we can say the following. Monday is an element of set A. Take note the symbol that we use in this statement and how to read it. Now, for the next statement, repeat after me. Thursday is an element of set A. Great! Sunday is not an element of set A. Take note that we use the symbol that has a slash on this statement because Sunday is not one of the school days in a week. Now, please read the next one. Saturday is not an element of set A. Good job! Let's practice writing sets by listing down its elements. Set B is the set of counting numbers less than 5. Please pause this video and write your answer on a sheet of paper. If you wrote your answer like this, capital letter B, equal sign, open brace, 1, 2, 3, 4, close brace, your answer is correct. Take note that 1, 2, 3, 4 are called members or elements of set B. Set C is the set of primary colors. Write set C by listing the different primary colors. The answer is set C is the set of yellow, red, blue. Yellow, red, blue are the members or elements of set C. Great job! Are you ready for an exercise? Let's try answering these questions. The given sets are set A, which is the set of even numbers, set B, which is the set of odd numbers, and set C, which is the set of counting numbers. Now tell whether the following numbers are elements or not elements of the given set. You may pause this video and answer it on your own. Fill in the blank using element symbol or not element symbol. 2 blank A. The answer is element because 2 is an even number. 7 blank C. Is 7 a counting number? Yes, that's why the answer is element. Negative 2 blank C. Is negative 2 a counting number? No, that's why negative 2 is not an element of set C. 8 blank B. If your answer is not element, you are correct. This is because 8 is not an odd number. 3 blank B. If your answer is element, that is correct. 3 is an odd number, which means it is an element of set B. Lastly, 5 blank A. Is 5 an element of set A? No, that's why we will write the symbol for not element. Nice work! Thank you for your participation! How can we tell if a set is a well-defined set? We can say that a set is well-defined if we can determine exactly if an object is an element or not an element of that set. If we have different opinions on the set, it is not well-defined. Let's take a look at these examples. Set A is the set of primary colors. Is this well-defined? Yes, this is a well-defined set because we can determine exactly its elements. They are yellow, red, and blue, while the other colors are not elements of set A. B is the set of beautiful girls in school. This is not well-defined. Some people have different opinions when it comes to beauty. There are people who may say that a girl is not beautiful simply because of the color of her skin. This is wrong. Let us remember that beauty comes in all sizes and color. C is the set of months in a year. This is a well-defined set. Can you give the different months in a year? The elements of set C are the months from January to December. D is the set of popular actors. This is not well defined. There are actors who are popular in your country, but they are not known internationally. E is the set of excellent singers. Is this a well-defined set? No, this is not well-defined. We have different tastes in music. That's why we also have different appreciation when it comes to singing. F is the set of even numbers. This is a well-defined set. We can determine exactly that a number is an element of this set as long as it can be divided exactly by 2. That's it for well-defined sets. Is it clear? One easy way of determining that a set is not well-defined is by looking for adjectives. If the description of the set has an adjective like beautiful, popular, excellent, etc., the set is not well-defined. I hope it's clear. What if the set has no members or elements? It is called an empty or null set. Empty or null set. It is a set with no members or elements. It is denoted by the symbol open and close braces or the Danish letter O. Let's have some examples. A is the set of triangles with 4 sides. Triangles are shapes with 3 sides. That's why we cannot have triangle with 4 sides. This means set A is an empty set or null set. B is the set of months in a year that start with letter B. Can you give a month that starts with letter B? I'm sure not. That's why B is an empty or null set. C is the set of whole numbers less than 0. Is this an empty set? Yes, because there are no whole numbers less than 0. The only numbers that are less than 0 are negative numbers. Negative numbers are not whole numbers. Cardinality. This refers to the number of elements in a given set. It's denoted by symbol n. The cardinality of set A is written as small letter n, open parenthesis, capital letter A, close parenthesis. Let's have some examples. Set A is the set of primary colors. Again, we can write this set using its elements. We will have set A is the set of yellow, red, blue. Take note of the number of elements of set A. We can say that the cardinality of set A is 3, written as small letter n, open parenthesis, capital letter A, close parenthesis, equal sign, 3. Let's read it again. Say it with me. The cardinality of set A is 3. Set B is the set of school days in a week. This can be written as set B is the set of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Can you give the cardinality of set B? That's correct. Say it with me. The cardinality of set B is 5. Great job! What if there are no elements in a given set? What will be its cardinality? Let's take a closer look at this example. Set A is the set of days in a week that start with A. Do we have a day in a week that start with letter A? No. This means that this is an empty set. But how are we going to write its cardinality? Is this the correct way of writing it? Or this one? No. Both of them are wrong. Let us remember that these symbols are used to denote that a set is an empty or null set. When we are looking for the cardinality of a set, we are looking for the number of its elements. Therefore, the cardinality of an empty set is 0. We will write it like this. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something from me. Remember, you may rewatch this video if you miss out anything. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See ya!